Hi, this is Consuelo Dobbs, and real quick, what I wanted to do was go over something that um, many people ask quite often whenever they're considering joining something I'm offering, or if after they've joined, or anyone else, um, just in general, when it comes to home-based business opportunities, we mostly deal with affiliate marketing here. Um, work at home opportunities in that arena. One of the main questions they ask is, what do I do if I don't have any payment proof, or I'm just getting started? I don't have any success or any quote unquote clout to post on my group, on my page or whatnot. And one of the concepts I've learned from a lot of people, especially some top earners and so on and so forth, is you celebrate the success of others. And even if you're getting success on your own, you can tell them all day long, yeah, I'm doing great, and be truthful. But what better way to show that your program works than to show the success of others and how other people are being successful with the same product or system or service that you're using. And that can go a longer way than you showing your bank information, which I'm kind of against. I'm like, okay, if you see the offer, you see what it has to offer, you see everything, every component, every aspect of it. A lot of programs, a lot of people don't give away the whole farm. They'll just give you enough to sizzle the steak, but they're not going to sell you the whole steak. But really, you just want to show people that it can work for them. If it can work for me, it can work for you. However, a lot of people want more than that. They want payment proof. They want cash proof, which to me, it does not prove that, if you sign up with me, or, because I'm making money, that means you're automatically going to make money. It doesn't mean that. I tell people all the time, what you make is going to be based on your own efforts, But then they'll say, okay, I just want a ballpark figure on how much. Well, it still depends on your own efforts. And no one can guarantee you success. Now, one of the things I can say right off that you can do, and which is a great tool for a lot of people, of course, is social media. Any social media. Now, Facebook is definitely one great platform and resource to present success stories of other people who are successful in any program you are in. And for example, I'm in a program, if you've watched any of my previous videos, I'm with a company called Power Lead System. And one of the products, or one of the, funnels that we use, because it's a marketing system, one of the components, tools that we have is the Cash Now funnel. And the Cash Now funnel is a marketing funnel that allows you to grow your list and introduce prospects to the system, a system that can help them grow their list and promote any product or service that they would like to promote. So as part of our Power Lead System membership, we are allowed into the private Facebook group. And inside the group, I can go inside the group at any point in time and find success stories of other people who have are successful with this system. Now, you have people who have questions and who are maybe having trouble with something. I mean, nothing's perfect. You're going to have hiccups. So, you're going to have people, ask for help as such here. Now, this person is saying, can someone help? Please, I want to start making money. Well, the immediate answer is to plug into the trainings. And, you have someone here who is giving a helpful answer here to this question. But at any given time, I can come in here and find testimonials. Now this is for something. I'm in multiple groups. Let's go into the Power Lead System group. Those are the latest, and that's where the Cash Now funnel is hosted, in the Power Lead System. So, okay, so here goes those 2 latest posts. Here's another question. There's a Fast Start training post. Okay, he says, I have the system. Great. Okay. Now, here's a post where you have a member who's got a new gold member. So, that's one testimonial. Okay? And this was 4 days ago. Same member. 2 more gold members, 3 for the day so far. Cash Now funnel rocks. So, I mean, there's always someone who's having success. You're going to have some people who are just learning the system. Okay, here's another different member. Please welcome Daniette Stevens, a new gold member. So, there's another. Okay. So, there's always someone who's getting success, and you can show that success. Okay. And he has a question. Is anyone making their own funnels? I made a funnel just the other day. It's really not hard. You just need a lead capture page, sales page, and follow-up email. But, here's another, please welcome Nicole, new gold member. So, you could, now there's a lot of opportunities that have Facebook groups, and that's the point. You can always, refer to your private Facebook group that is attached to any opportunity that you're in, and just join the group, and inside the group you can refer to all the success testimonials inside that group. That's all you have to do. You don't always have to show your own payment proof. You can as far as payment proof, with our company, Power Lead System has been paying for 10 years. They have never missed paying anyone. And there are a lot of programs out there that have direct pay. So you really don't need payment proof for direct pay, because you're paid directly. The only proof you need is whether you're going to do the work and be consistent in order to receive payment. Okay? Wow, got two gold members today. So this is, this is awesome. Max Steinhardt, he has some good training. And he's in our Power Lead System back office training. He's, he has great training. He does great training on social media, especially LinkedIn. So, So that's how you can show payment proof without showing your own payment proof. You can show your team leader's payment proof. how they got paid. Anyone else that's in the company, you know, you don't have to show your own. 9 times out of 10, you know, that, you know, they may believe you, or may not. You know, I never understood why. You know, I've asked people before, you know, how much have you made so far? But if you think about it, really, it doesn't make any difference. What difference it makes is your own efforts. My main thing is, what I want to know is the company paying. If you know, if they're the ones that are responsible for paying out commissions. But if I'm getting paid directly, then the only thing I need to know is, can I do this? Can I promote this and make money with this? And that's pretty much it. But other than that, if I'm going to show any proof, any success proof, you know, one could be going into these Facebook groups, or you know, any other forum. You know, if any members come into the company and say they joined the Facebook group, then, you know, celebrate their success by posting them to your wall. You know, hey, this person, you know, has had success with this. You know, that's another way of, you know, posting payment proof. You can email that same proof of others. So basically, celebrating the success of others is a great way to show success proof. If other people are having success with it, surely I'm having success with it, and you can have success also. So that's the main point here. So I appreciate, you know, you all for tuning into the video. And yep, here's someone else posting for a new gold member. So this is a great way to celebrate the success of others and show how the program is working for everyone. So until next video.